So hi, hello. For today, I would like to share with you guys if we can remove all this watermark. Okay, even we wipe it using our finger, doesn't give anything. It remains the same. And if we try to wipe it, so we focus on this black area, because this one it's we can see inside the car. So this one, the black side here, okay, until to the top level here, okay. So if we wipe with using the cloth, also this all watermark, right? So okay, so to remove it, this is what I have, a watermark remover. Okay, sorry, I using only one hand, so it is a little bit difficult. Okay, so this bottle, just open it, open the cap here. Okay, okay, little bit of drop. Okay, then wipe it. Okay, wipe it. Actually, in about 30 seconds is enough, but I love to see a very good result, so just wipe it. Okay, if you can see, this is all the liquid from the watermark remover. Okay, so maybe we can wipe it, the excess. Wipe it using the other side, okay? The other side of the cloth. So yeah, see, so shining. Okay, no more watermark. This one still got watermark. Just to show you the example, if we use only the cloth without the liquid, okay, see, still got, right, this one, and this side all clean up. So you can always contact me in the link description. We are selling very cheap, and we love to give, and we love to get more agent to help others as well in every states. Okay, thank you.